Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Game Time Custom GPT that you can use to get ChatGPT to explain to you board games or card game rules, and it can do it for any age with any game experience. Alright, so if you want to use the Game Time Custom GPT or any other custom GPT, right now you have to have a ChatGPT Plus or Enterprise subscription. If you have one, all you have to do is either click on your account name, then select My GPTs, or you can also click on the Explore button on the left here. Both of these buttons will take you to the My GPT section. All you have to do is scroll down to Made by OpenAI and find the Game Time Custom GPT. Click on it and this will open up the interface where you're going to start interact with the Game Time Custom GPT. By the way, I also have a full article tutorial on the Game Time Custom GPT where you can learn about some of the use cases of this custom GPT. I also share 10 prompts how you can use this Game Time Custom GPT. Also, if you want to get access to a free database that contains thousands of custom GPTs, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You can search this custom GPT database by category, description, and more. And there is also a database version with 10 use cases and example prompts for these custom GPTs. You can get access to this database for free by clicking the link in the description below. It will open up this page where you will be able to download it. Alright, but now let's see how to use the Game Time Custom GPT. So using the prompts I have mentioned in the article that you can check out linked in the description below, I copy pasted one of the prompts I shared there. So in the game of Catan, can you explain the specific circumstances under which a player can build a road past an opponent's settlement? Then once you edit your prompt, just click on send message here and let's see what the Game Time Custom GPT will come up with. And this is the response we get. In the Settlers of Catan, a classic strategy board game, players build roads, settlements, and cities on the board to accumulate resources and points. Regarding your question about building roads, and here we get basic rule, the opponent settlements, exception, so continuous road, building around, and so on and so forth. So we get a really nice explanation on our specific questions regarding building roads in Catan. So the great thing about this custom GPT that it has a great knowledge in basically all board games and card games that are well known. So if you have any issues with board games or card games, you can use the Game Time Custom GPT to learn more about a board game or card game. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins, and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.